LightSense is the newest installation from the Light series.
And take you along to our new adventures.
It's a kinetic moving structure which can respond to users through verbal communication.
What is your definition of happiness?
The definition of peace is different from the definition of war. Peace is a different thing from war. Definition triggers something I can't verbalize. Explain it to me.
The backbone of the installation is an AI system which has been trained on 60,000 poems and will respond with the user in a poetic language. This installation can move into 4 different pavilions of emotion, in pavilion of love, pavilion of hate, of curiosity and of joy. And the responses from LightSense are truly creative, surprising and emotional.